syllabus, let's take a look at the differences. I think back then, okay, the 2014 syllabus, they actually separate into two blocks. So it's the lower block and the upper block. And the teachers are able to customize and they are able to select what topics they want to cover. So some schools do certain topics in P3, some schools do certain topics in P4, right? So when it comes to really, when it comes to tuition per se, when you attend certain classes, and then there might be some topics quite jumbled out because some schools might be doing P4 topics first, and then some schools will be doing some certain topics first. Same for the upper block. So sometimes they do some P6 topics, like for example, they will be doing photosynthesis first in P5 and forces in P5, and then they swap around. Is that they have cell system here. Okay, so it used to be in the syllabus, but it's been removed from the new syllabus already. Later on, if you look at the new one, you'll realize that as well. So it's been removed from the old syllabus, but students will still be doing it in Sec 1. So more or less, when we are learning about human systems, I think it's quite inevitable that we will still talk a little bit about cells. Even in your reproductive system, we'll talk about egg cell, sperm cell. So there will still be some concepts of cell. But it's not really like a whole topic as of the primary school PSLE syllabus for science. So there's something that has been changed. Yeah. So let's take a look at the new one. Okay. So the new syllabus right now, you notice that they have quite orderly arranged the topics according to each level now, instead of just lower block and upper block. The topics generally, in terms of content-wise, I think that not much has been changed within each topic, except that cells has been removed. But otherwise, I think the biggest change is that they have, sorted out, and most schools, they adopt this. They will be doing the P3 topics in P3. They will not decide whether or not they want to swap it around. So it makes it easier, I think, when it comes to organizing our, lessons as well. So when we have P3 students, we'll be doing all the P3 topics and also revision on the P3 topics as well. So this is the main change in terms of syllabus.